Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about PHP and AJAX. PHP is a server-side scripting language utilized in web development. It handles server-side tasks like processing form data and interacting with databases. AJAX, being a technique for creating dynamic web pages, updates content without reloading the full page, enhancing user experience. This dynamic content loading can be seen in scenarios like auto-suggestions in search bars or real-time updates on social media feeds. When PHP and AJAX are combined, PHP's backend scripts can fetch data from a database, and AJAX can then update specific parts of a web page's content without necessitating a complete page refresh. This amalgamation is often employed to construct responsive and interactive web applications, where PHP manages server-side operations, and AJAX aids in seamless communication between the server and the browser, enhancing user engagement. PHP can be embedded in HTML using PHP and tags. Variables in PHP start with $, and can hold various data types like strings, integers, and arrays. Functions and control structures in PHP aid in accomplishing tasks and managing program flow. For instance, in the code snippet provided, a variable name is declared with the value John Doe, and an output "Hello John Doe" is echoed. AJAX, or asynchronous JavaScript and XML, is a web development technique for creating more dynamic web pages. It allows for sending and receiving data from the server without needing to reload the entire web page. This is achieved through the use of the XMLHttpRequest object in JavaScript. For example, consider a scenario where a user on an e-commerce website wants to add an item to their shopping cart without refreshing the whole page. Using AJAX, the website can send a request to the server to add the item, receive a response with the updated cart information, and then dynamically update the cart section on the page without requiring a full reload. This ability to update specific parts of a web page dynamically without disturbing the rest of the content leads to a smoother and more user-friendly experience. In the provided code snippet, the fetch data function demonstrates how an AJAX request can be made to fetch data from a server and then update an element on the web page with the retrieved data. PHP can be utilized to generate dynamic content and respond to AJAX requests, which can enhance user interactions on a web page. AJAX calls can be made to PHP scripts, allowing data retrieval from the server and instant updates on the web page. This integration facilitates real-time interactions, offering users seamless experiences. For instance, a simple web page with a button triggering an AJAX call to a PHP script could fetch data from the server and dynamically update the content on the page. This method allows for efficient handling of data without needing to refresh the entire web page, providing a more fluid user experience. PHP can be compared to a chef in a kitchen who prepares a delicious meal, website content, using various ingredients, code snippets. AJAX is like a waiter in a restaurant who takes orders from customers, user interactions, and communicates with the chef server to get the requested dishes, data, quickly. In the same way, a website uses PHP to generate and serve content to the user, while AJAX helps to fetch and display updated information without reloading the entire page. Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance, coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The PHP code snippet opens the analogy.txt file, reads its content line by line, and stores each line as an element in an array called analogies. The content of the array is then encoded into JSON format using JSON encode function and echoed out. Moving on to the AJAX script, it initiates an AJAX request to the PHP script using jQuery library. Upon successful retrieval of data, the response is parsed as JSON, and for each analogy retrieved, a list item is dynamically generated within an unordered list. Finally, the dynamically created list is inserted into the HTML element with the ID analogies, allowing the analogies to be displayed in a structured format on the web page. Real-world example application use case. Consider a language learning website where users can upload analogy examples. The PHP script could fetch those analogies from a database and serve them via AJAX for display on the web page. This allows for a seamless user experience without the need for page refresh, while showcasing a variety of analogies to assist learners in understanding complex concepts. One real-world application of using PHP and AJAX together can be seen in e-commerce websites. When a user adds an item to their cart, the front end can utilize AJAX to send the request to the back-end PHP script for updating the cart details without refreshing the entire page. This provides a seamless shopping experience to the user. Another industrial application could be in online chat systems. For instance, when a user sends a message in a chat, the message is sent to the server using AJAX, and PHP handles the processing and storing the message data. The chat window can then be updated in real time to display the new message without the need for a page refresh. This asynchronous communication enhances the responsiveness of the chat application. In conclusion, PHP and AJAX are powerful technologies that can be leveraged across various industries to create dynamic and interactive web applications. Their combination allows for efficient data processing and seamless user experiences. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.